yesterday we talked about when we took the introductory part of exercise 3.2. Two concepts we have cleared yesterday, that is mode and median. What is mode? Mode is the that observation. Mode is that observation which appears, which occurs most frequently. Okay, which comes more number of times. That is called mode. Okay, now median, middle value, right? We have two formulas. One was n plus 1 divided by 2 for odd number of observation, and for even number of observation n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1st observation, and mean of that two observations. Understood? You finished to fight? Fight is finished. Shall we start now? What's your name? Umang and Samarth. Fighting, right? Now your parents will hear what you are doing in your class. Umang and Samarth. So open exercise 3.2. In that question number 1. Question number 1. They have given us some values. The scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. How many students are there? 15 students are there. Out of them, out that 15 students, their marks out of 25 are given, and they have given us find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? What we are supposed to find? Median and mode. So first of all, since the data is only 15 numbers, we can arrange them in ascending order and write down the answer. No need to draw table. But if you want to draw table, it is up to you. Understood? So what you will write? Arranging the data. Arranging the data in ascending order. We get, this is the smallest one among them. 9? No, 5. Right? After 5? 9? Okay, 9 comes only one time? Yes? Okay, then 10, then 12, okay, after 12, 16, 15, okay, then 16, then 19, 20. If the number occurs 2-3 times, you are supposed to say, okay, number 20, 3 times, so 20, 20, 20. 4 times, 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So again 1, 20, after 20, 23, right? 23, it is only one time? And then 24, 24? Yes. Okay, 24, then 25 2 times. 25 are 2 times, right? Yes. Now count the number. Is it 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 students marks we have taken here, which is in ascending order. Tell me which number is coming more time, more number of times? 20. So what is the question I told? Which number occurs more number of times? 20. 20 came more number of times? Yes. So since 20 is occurring more number of times, so our mode is what? 20? 20. Our mode is 20. So we will write here. Since 20 occurs more number of times, therefore mode is for median. For median also what we do? We arrange the ascending order. Already we have done. We have done. Understood? Now count. How many numbers were there? 15 numbers. And 15 is odd. 15 is odd or even? Even.
Odd.
15 is odd. Right? So for median. For median, what is the formula of median? We will say for odd numbers. Yesterday I have told about. What is the formula? Formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. Two observations. Understood or not?
Yes.
And what is n? 15? Right? N is 15. So we will write here n is equal to 15. Therefore 15 plus 1 divided by 2. 15 plus 1 is 16. Divide by 2 observation. So 16 divided by 2 is 8 observation, right?
Yes.
And what is the 8th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the 8th observation? 19 or 20? 19. So your median is, therefore median is equal to, clear or not? Any doubt? No doubt. So moving to question number 2. Sorry? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, sorry. 8th number observation. So it is 20 again. And they had asked us. Also one question is there. Last question. Are they same? Yes, they are same. But do they are same always? No. Answer is here by chance, accidentally. They are same, but they are not same always. Understood or not? Okay, coming to question number 2. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. How many players? 11 players. So if median is there, n is what? N is 11. Understood? Now what they are asking us, find the mode and median of this data. Mode and median of this data. Second, is there more than one mode? એક કરતા વધારે મોડ છે તો આપણે શું કરશું, પહેલા અરેન્જ કરશું. ઓકે, સેમ ક્વેશ્ચન સેમ આન્સર વી વિલ રાઇટ. arranging in ascending order. We get, which is the smallest number? Smallest 4. 6. Then 8. 10. 10 2 times? Yes, 10 2 times. Then 15 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then after 15 direct 50. Right? 50. Then 80. 100. 120. All are one time. Right? Then finish. Can I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 match scores are here. They have given us. So which number is occurring more number of times? 15. So what we will write? Since 15 is occurring more number of times, therefore mode is equal to what?
50.
Mode is equal to 15. For median now. For median, what is n?
11.
N is equal to 11. Therefore median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 observation. N is what? 11 plus 1. 12 divided by 2,
6.
sixth observation, right? So sixth observation, which is sixth observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also by chance it is 15 only. Not always medians are 15, okay? A median and mode are same, not always. Understood? Move it to third number. You want to form table? If you want to form table, tell me, yeah? If you want to form table? Sorry, they have also asked us to find mean also, okay? I watched the third question. There we are supposed to find mean also. And how we find mean? Mean how we find for second question? Total, the sum of all the observations divided by total number of observations, right? This is how we find. So mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by total number of observation. Please do the sum of all the observation. Calculate here. Okay, calculate with me. Okay, 100 plus 100, 200, 220. 220 plus 80, 300, 350, 350 plus 45, 395, 95 plus 10, 405, 405 plus 10, 415 plus 8, 423, 423 plus 6, 429, 429. And how many innings are there? 11 innings. Okay, so 11 in 11th table, let us see if it is going. 11 3s are 33, 42 minus 33, how much will remain? 9? 9 will remain?
Yes.
If you don't know, do like this. 11, 40, 430, 429. 11 3s are 33, 9 left, 99, 11 9s are 99. So what is the average? 39. 11 ones are and 11 39. Clear?
Yes.
So therefore mean is what? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Now moving to question number 3. Finally. Question number 3. Again they want us to find mode and median of that data. So what we will do? Arranging the data in ascending order, we get, which is the smallest number? 32. Okay, do we tabulate this one? Okay, write it in the table form. Okay, write it in the table form. What is it? Weight in kg of 15 students. Okay, so we will write weight in kg, and here number of, here tally marks, and here number of students. Okay, which is the smallest number here? 32. 32 is coming how many times? Okay. One time. See here, see that. Only one time. So tally mark is 1. Then which number? 35. After 35 which number? 36. Sure, no? 36. Then 37 is there? Yes, 37. Then 38 is there? No, that we will look. That we will look afterwards. You give me the numbers only. 38 after 38? 40? After 40? 42. Then 43. Then 45. Then 47. Now for 50 I will don't have. space. What we will do? We will write congested. 36, 37, 38, 40, 42 was there?
Yes.
43,
Yes.
45,
Yes.
47,
Yes.
46 is there?
No.
No, 47. Then
50.
direct 50, okay? So what we will do? Not necessary to tabulate, okay? You can directly write also. Okay, 32 occurs one time only. No, not we will do like that, not like that we will do, okay? We will start with the one. First is 38. So opposite to 38, 1. Then 42, 1. Then 35, 35, 1. 37, 1. 45, 50, 32, 43. Wait a minute, huh? 42 was there, 43 came first time, no? So 43, let me write down here. 43, then 43 again, no?
Yes.
43 second time, then 40, then 36, where is 36? Then 38, then 43, 47. Finish? Finish? Let us calculate if we have got number of students, okay? This is 2 times, 1 time, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. How many numbers of students are there? 15 students? Calculating it is 15. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How is it possible? 5, 8, 10, 13 and 16. Which number we have taken 2 times? Let us calculate again. 38. Then 42. Then 35. 35. 42. Wait a minute. We will look. 32 is how many times? 1 time only. Then 38 is how many times? 1, 2 and 3. Yes, it is 3 times. 42 is how many times? Only 1 time here also. Okay. Then 35, 1 time. 37, 1 time. 45, 1 time. Then 50, 1 time. 32, 1 time only, no? Here it is 2 times we have written. So what we will do? We will remove 1 and here we will write 1. Understood? Now number of students are 15 and we have tabulated. Understood? Now how to find mode and median? For that I will write that in this space. Okay. Which number occurs maximum number of times? Which number? 38 and 43. Right? 43 and 38 occurs more number of times. Therefore, what is the mode? Therefore, mode is equal to 38 and 43. There we are having 2 modes. Clear or not? I have already told. Mode can be more than 2 also, more than 3 also, 1 also. It depends how much time it occurs. Clear? Coming to median. Median. N is equal to what? N is equal to 50. Right? So what is the median? Median is equal to N plus 1 divided by 2 observation. Clear or not? 15 plus 1? 16. 16 divided by 2. What is 16 divided by 2? 8 observation. 8 observation. Now which one is the 8th observation? Tell me.
43.
If you arrange, it is 43. Sure?
Yes.
So it is 43. Median is 43. Please look left side for answer. Is it 43? I am not giving the answer away. Is it 43? Stop. So what is the answer? It is
40.
How it is 40? For that we are supposed to arrange them in ascending order. Okay. When you are arranging them in ascending order, which one will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8th number is 40. Understood?
Yes.
This is how we have arranged in ascending order now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 8th number. And 8th number observation is our
40.
So our answer is median is 40. Clear or not?
Yes.
You want to write?